chasing dreams and I'm settling the score. East side things, life wild, duck the law. Ultralight beams, city lights get more. My DV's in my pocket, wanted covering the floor. So until I can't see my feet or door, got more soul than Nike sneaks in the store. All the more I'm in factory. So big that you really couldn't fathom me. So big that you really couldn't measure me. You need a measure tape that is longer than infinity. Grind so hard that I'll probably need a mini-me. Really move in silence cause I always got the loud on me. Really with some queens and some goats I'm a lion. You really talking shit, motherfucker, why you lying? I put you in a casket if you fucking with my brethren. Tides in the basket, many verses I'm a reverend. Plus I'm with the clan so I'm probably like wildin'. Plus we make it move, the flow crack, I just move some. Plus I got a shorty about the grind, that's a blessing. Sayonara, boy I body anybody you think that I'm jumping on. Boy I'm very litty, the Henny got me like very gone. Plus I'm rolling Molly, Papilli, fuck it, I'm very gone. Cause I got some money so spend it, never know when we're gone. Never know when we're gone. Never know when we're gone. So until every day, I promise that I go hard. So until every day, I wear all my battle scars with the honor of a god. Strike a hammer like I'm Thor and give thanks to Jah. And I rise from the ash, I'm a phoenix. Really about the bars, he a beat so appealing. Something you will never find in our solar system. He a tight and he causing a polar shifting. Fuck with me, I'll have you hating existing. Fuck with my fam, I'll have you hating existence. She love to give me head, no cap. They really talking funny when they tell me that they rap. Cause it's either indigo or we ain't talking shit. Matter of fact, here's a diver talking shit. Like a baby diver told you that we really with the shit. Like a baby diver told you that we really with the shit. Never shit, but I never give a shit. But I never give a shit. But what the ops gotta say. Hell Mary, my boy, just like the Marriott.